Hi, I'm Dr. Aldo Morales, Medical Director at Retreat at Palm Beach. We're going to be hosting a presentation on medical marijuana. I'm going to be giving you all the pros and cons, and I believe there's free CEUs. Is that correct?
That is correct. I'm Jason Eric Ross. I'm a licensed psychotherapist. I'm going to be speaking with Dr. Morales, and I'm going to be discussing medical marijuana and parenting in the modern age with tech, drugs, etc.
Jason, we have to get people to come out. You know, maybe you can contact some of your show business pals and see if, I think you know those guys from the Family Guy.
Peter Griffin can't make it, but he did send his regards, and he said the following.
Holy crap, I hope you guys have a great presentation. I wish I could be there, but I'd probably be sleeping or going out to eat.
I spoke to Stewie too. Stewie happened to tell me, oh my god, man, you guys are gonna do a presentation? Yeah? You're gonna talk about medical marijuana? Some of the pros and some of the cons?
We got some music people, like a big name music person.
That's what we need.
Like Paul McCartney.
This is what he said. He said to me, it was a quick conversation. He said, woo, yeah, Paul McCartney, yeah, I'd like to come to it, but I can't, yeah, I'm touring, you know.
So he might show up.
He might.
What about...
Probably not, though.
Remember that TV show Taxi? There was one guy in there who took one hit one time, and Reverend Jim.
Reverend Jim. Well, Reverend Jim would probably say,
I don't know what the hell you guys are talking about, but it sounds pretty good.
Can you get anybody else?
Hello, I am Dr. Aldo Morales. I'm the medical director at the Retreat, and this is to invite you to a complimentary CEU event, 3 free CEUs, complimentary breakfast, November 7th, 8:30 to 12 p.m., and we really hope you make it.
Good.